te Mr. Mtunga. Mr. Mtunga.
Yeah.
Mr. Mtunga, how are you?
Siyaphila njani sir?
Siyaphila.
Yeah.
Yeah. What can you say about abangani bethu, our contemporaries, ama-fans wethu e-TV?
Mfowethu ngingathi mhlambe for the last decade or the last century,
Yes.
the best thing to happen in South Africa, to South African football, to South African football loving people, was ama-fans wethu TV. Why I say that is that these guys,
Yes.
they started something that never happened. They gave the voice to the supporters. The supporters had no voice. There's a lot of things that people wanted to say, that football lovers wanted to say, but they had no platform. They had no platform whereby they could voice their anger, their support,
Yes.
their intelligence.
Mm.
Now we have many people who came up out of ama-fans wethu, who are still with ama-fans wethu, who are performing, who are knowledgeable in terms of football.
Yes.
So that is why I say ama-fans wethu is the best thing in the last century to happen in South African football.
Thank you very much. You voiced something. You said that football fans in South Africa did not have a platform where they can voice their concern, where can they voice nama player bahleli lapho khona ama dressing or endlini or ekhaya bakwazi ukungena ku We Talk Football SA ama-fans wethu babheka ukuthi ama-support athini ngayo. So now ubona ngathi le platform yakuthi ama-support abana a platform to speak about football, ubona ngathi siyakuphi nge-football e-South Africa?
Ibhola lethu jersey number 10 liya kude kakhulu, ngoba sengishilo ukuthi abadlali nabo no coach bayakwazi ukuyohlala ngoba ama-fans ayalalelwa.
Yes.
Mangabe behleli sebeyakwazi ukubona and ama-platform asemaningi manje. Ama-fans wethu TV ayiqalile lento ngoba i-mainstream media laba abakhulu vele kade baba khona o-traditional banendlela yabo abasebenza ngayo ngokwamandla abanawo kuyenzeka begcina abalandeli bengasabalaleli. Kodwa ngenxa yama-fans wethu TV abalandeli sekunala abakwazi ukukhuluma khona, sekunala umlandeli akazi khona ukuthi hayi ngizobatshela, hayi ngizothi abalungise, hayi nabantu abathanda ukuthi engathi bahlukumeza abadlali ngizobalungisa. Ngenxa yama-fans wethu TV mawuthi uyafika manje stadium usuthola inqwaba yama-podcast ahlukehlukene, kodwa azalwe kuma-fans wethu TV. Yebo ikhona i-Disk TV nabanye, kodwa bona bayishayela endlini okumsebenzi omkhulu nawo omuhle abawenzile. Ngajabula nje ngelinye ilanga ngoba thina abantu abamnyama sinongasapotani sithi makuqhamuka omunye umuntu odayisa lento oyidayisayo sithi uyasibulala lona uzothatha ama-customer. Ngajabula ngisakhumbula unyaka wakunini ethi esafika ama-fans wethu cishe 2023 wathi uNkululeko Nkewu ngibonile lapha mangithi ngiyabheka kukhona enye channel entsha iza kahle, ngicela nisubscribe kuleya channel ama-fans wethu TV. Hayibo ama-fans wethu TV azala abanye asezele thina. Mina ngikhona kuma-fans wethu ngiyangena futhi ngeke ngiyeke ukungena noma singaze sibe nabantu abawu-200,000 ngeke ngiyeke ukungena ngoba ngilandela ukuthi ibona abajike bangikhuthaza ukuthi nami i-platform yami kade ngayiqala kodwa bangikhuthaza ukuthi angiyenze ngokusuka kwami ekhaya ngizosebenza ngaseGoli bagcine sebethi angiyenze. Manje lokho kwenza ukuthi ngibahloniphe, ngeke size siyeke, kodwa umsebenzi abawenzayo abafowethu muhle kakhulu. Ungakangibuzi mhlawumbe ubuzongibuza lokho. Okujabulise kakhulu ukuthi uMinister uGayton Mackenzie mayekhetha abantu abazoya phesheya noma amakhampani azoya phesheya akazowalekelela ama-fans wethu akhona lapho. Wathi wamemezela wathi uMichael Motin wadlalela iPirates, Michael Motin Talks Football, kube wafaka uPhD ozalwa khona lapha kuma-fans wethu TV. Njengamanje uSmash Sports uyangena nokumbona na ku-Lifestyle League lapha ku-Atamafukade
nonke lapha ku ama-fans wethu.
Wase wethi ke and the other channel Amawethu Fans.
Amawethu Fans.
Yebo. Manje siyakubonga ukuthi ngempela bahambile baya phesheya. Kuhle kakhulu lokho. Esicelayo ke ungqongqoshe ku World Cup ezayo. Noma ku Nations Cup ezayo noma kuyiphi tournament ezayo. Nako Euro mhlambe ngagcina kuyiwa sazi kodwa sithi maye ewathatha ama fans wethu TV. Engathi ngathatha nabanye abantu abangemuva abazofike beqalele laba baba interviewwayo. Yabona coach KG. Coach KB. Yebo o China. Yeah, Jwaga. O Maginator.
Yes.
O Zweli. Bradley, Zweli Abduli. Baningi Omdawu.
Yes.
Epitoli kunomdakadaka, kunolongwani, kunolongwani weSundowns. Kuno Konkere. Kunombawothi eMpumalanga. Baningi kuno Big Yes. Kunje mhlambe maye ngathi maye wathatha Amawethu Fans. Kokuzayo adonse nabantu abambalwa abazofike siyazi ukuthi abafiki phambili befuna abantu kuphela siyazi ukuthi coach KB ukhona uya analyzer uJwaga ukhona ukhuluma njengomlandeli noBomdawu bakhona uyabona kungaba kuhle lokho kodwa siyakubonga lokho akakwenzile kukhulu kakhulu ukhomba ukuthi imedia iyashintsha ungayithathi kancane leyo microphone leyo phone yakho e300 ekhaya ithathe ushoot video yalento lena ofuna ukuyishutha ungethuka abantu njengalabo bethuka abantu la ku TikTok ungethuka abantu wenze into ephilayo izokuthatha ikubeke kwelinye izinga.
And ngampela Mr Mtungu ngokhuluma iqiniso because nami ngiqala ukubona khona lapha kuma ama fans wethu and ngakubona lapha e-stadium nokubona kuma YouTube. Ayithanda ngampela. I loved the way you analyze football. And njengamanje masukule we talk football essays. Lapha as nami ngilapha while I was also analyzing there are people right from Limpopo that side of Giyani Malamlele Venda who phoned me and they told me ukuthi hayi man lo baba lo simbone kuma fans wethu. So to manje nenzani mangithi we have another platform is the same thing as ama fans wethu we talk football essay go and subscribe. So ungathini wena ezushile ukuthi ezina ubuya lapha ezinyayibamba le point ukuthi even in future makuzobana ama tournament let them consider inqwaba yalaba bantu as there are people who have got a group of people who can go to the next tournament that is coming. What can you say about that?
No, it's very important. Let's say right now our friends which are going overseas.
Yes.
They will have to struggle to find out who to interview.
Yes.
But if they see that Coach KP is there analyzing, Mudau is there, Zweli Abdul is there making jokes, then they catch it along. So it's very important. But a child does not grow in one day. Yes, you cannot be born today and grow today.
Rome was
not built in one day. So every step forward is very important. They say 1,000 steps start with one step. So that is very important. But this platform, we created it because the sea is too wide. So there is enough fish in the sea. So we decided to create another platform that does almost the same, though we will be different here and there. Like now the season is closed, so we are going to have a feature. We'll start over this weekend that we call Big Fan Interview. We are going to interview fans. Where do you come from? When did you start supporting Kaizer Chiefs? Why Kaizer Chiefs?
Why Pirates?
Why Pirates?
Why Sundowns?
We are going to do that.
Why Swele? Why Amasu?
Which school did you go to? What was your favorite subject? What food do you like? People want to know more about Mdau. The people want to know more about PhD. People want to know more about Mnigen. So we are going to do that during this break until the season opens. Then we're gonna go back to football.
What a platform! What a platform! It's the rise of technology also brought this, man. What a platform! Because our supporters have got to say now we are able to see and see different viewpoints about football knowledge. Even our coaches are also watching. We talk football essays. I'm a fans waiting. All
other
sports platforms.
Orlando Pirates TV. Yeah, there is a lot. There is a lot. There is Ngobo. There is a lot of guys.
Exactly.
But what we are asking for in closing, we're asking for people to subscribe so that they give us more power. And if you've got a product that you need to promote, bring it here. We are going to promote it every day.
Yes.
Our motto is inform, entertain, educate, promote.
Yes.
So we want to do this. We want to promote your brand. We want to promote your organization. We want with or without man. As long as we can sit down and discuss. Don't say I won't call them because I don't have money.
Yes.
No, just inbox us and then you will find us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. We talk football essays. Go to YouTube, subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the notification for more information about sports and the fans as we're going through. Thank you very much.